guys, welcome back to my video. Hope everyone's doing well. So in this video, I will be showing you how to make a closure. Now this is just a simple top closure if you're doing a sew-in method with no part or just a bushy style, curly style, and you just want to close the top up. This is also for if you're going around the head in a circular motion doing a sew-in. So you just want to start with putting some glue on, and you really just want to curl it up. It doesn't matter how much you start rolling in, as long as you just roll as much as you need for the section of hair that you want to put the closure on. So what I do, I just put a little glue and I dry it just a little bit so the glue won't be runny. I don't dry it to completely dry the glue. I just make it so the glue won't be runny. So you just want to keep continuing the same method. You want to put glue and fold in or roll it in, whichever you prefer. Keep putting glue, dry it a little bit as you go, and just keep rolling and just keep putting glue as you roll. Now your fingers will get a little messy, and it's okay. You know this glue comes off your fingers real easily. Just rub your fingers together and it comes right off. So just keep putting glue and fold in. As you fold in, you want to make sure the top is even. So you want to make sure as you fold that no top of the hair sticking out, because you want to make it even, because this is very important to lay the closure flat. So just keep ensuring that the wefts are evenly folded at the top, that nothing is sticking out from the weft. So like I said before, you guys, you just want to keep putting glue, keep folding, and periodically dry it a little bit. And like I said before, also, the size doesn't matter. You can make it big, small, just depends how much of the top of the head you want to cover. So I'm approaching the end of the weft. You just want to keep adding glue, keep drying, and keep folding. When you get to the last part and you put the glue, and then when you fold it, this is when you want to ensure that the hair and the wefts are completely dry. So you want to completely dry the glue. You also want to make sure you turn your flat iron on. You will need a flat iron. Okay, so you see the size on that, you guys. I'll show you again. Look at the size. So now I'm just going to measure, make sure this size is good enough for the space I have. mind you, you're not going to complete the rotation. You want to leave a bigger space than the space of the closure part. So you can lay the closure and then continue to finish the sewing around the closure, if that makes sense. Okay, so right here, you just want to evenly distribute the hair around. So pretty much make like a little part in the center, because this is the part where you're going to use your flat iron. Okay. Now the hair that she's using, this is blended hair. It's not 100% human, so I can't use the flat iron too hot. But you see what I'm doing, you guys? I'm just pressing the flat iron down. This will help the closure flatten and give it a much more natural look. This will help it not look as thick. If it still looks thick, you guys, just take the flat iron, keep pressing, keep flattening. And this is how it looks when it's done, you guys. I will be uploading another video of the complete style and how I do the complete look. Thank you guys so much for watching, and subscribe. See you again.